One more question. Similar type, but it is different derivative rule. They are saying f of x is g square of x. But what does that mean? It means your g of x and you're squaring the entire thing. This is what g square of x means. It's not g squared times x, it's g of x whole thing square. So in other words, f of x is g of x square. And they want you to find what is f prime at 3.
We have that won't be able to be.
So before finding f prime at 3, what do you have to find first? F prime of x. So which derivative rule you have to use here? Product, quotient, power, chain. Chain rule.
Oh, wait.
Because you have a function inside another function.
Oh.
Your outer function is a square function. Inner function is a g function.
Oh, you don't change it inside.
So first you apply the power rule. If you apply the power rule, what's the derivative you get? 2 comes down, and then 2 minus 1, which is 1. That's the outer function.
Wait, you got it.
Huh?
You got it.
When you do the outer part, when you do the outer part, you have to leave the inner part alone. Derivative is very weak. It cannot do 2 derivatives at the same time. So it changes the outer part. This is 1, not prime. It changes the outer part, so the inner part has to stay same. And then you multiply by the derivative of the inner part. So what's the derivative of g of x? G prime of x. So this is the hardest part, figuring out the derivative. Once you have the derivative, the next is easy. All you have to do is replace all the x you see with the number they gave you. So 2 times g of 3 times g prime at 3.
How are you gonna be?
Chain rule. It is a derivative of the power first, and then you multiply by the derivative of the inner function. So 2 times, do we know what is g of 3? 2. So 2 times 2. And do you know what is g prime at 3? 3. So basically we have 2 times 2 times 3. The answer is 12.